This is my assessment of this Bluetooth keyboard by NACODEX. It does require you to install batteries when you first get it. It takes AAA, 2 AAA batteries, so that's not an issue. It also has the power button on the back here. So I've got mine on right now. I'll turn it off. When you turn it on, you'll see the front of the keyboard lights up. The other thing that you can do to make it light up is when you press the shift key or caps lock. It does come with directions, although honestly I found them a bit confusing. I did pair this with a Mac, and it has instructions on pairing it Bluetooth and then with a Windows setting, or if you're using a 2.4G mode. I will tell you that through a series of trial and error, I was able to get it to connect. It tells you in here to long press the pairing key, but it does not tell you what a pairing key is. So not sure. My advice is just keep trying, pressing different keys until you're able to connect. But I do have a document up and I am able to use it, so let's try that. Okay, so we will do a quick demo. You can see it works pretty good. I did have trouble with the B's and the N's sometimes not working. So sometimes it matters. They seem to be working now, but they don't work consistently, so that was another issue. Another problem I had was cutting and pasting. So normally on your Macintosh, you will do Command V. Oh, okay. So prior to this demonstration, I had to do Function O, and that changes it so that your keyboard is the same as your Mac. Otherwise, I was able to do cut and paste using the Alt Option key with the V or the C. So I found a workaround, but then I read the instructions and learned that Function O helps it behave like a Mac keyboard. The only thing I was disappointed about is that it is promoted as being super quiet. It is slightly quieter than the Mac keyboard, but not significantly so. But I am pleased with it. It's saving me from having to replace my Mac right now because I had a few keys that were sticking, so this was a good intermediate step.